machines are built to look good in a brochure, this one was built for the work that matters.
Before the crew arrives, before the sun clears the ridge, before the work begins, there's a machine waiting. Built for the kind of work that doesn't make headlines, but holds everything up. 6.6 tons of engineered intent, the TYPHON Terra LXV, this is what showing up looks like.
Foundation work, land development, utility trenching, wire cabling, irrigation, grading, land clearing, road repair, material lifting, municipal projects, agricultural fields, one machine, every job, no excuses. Reinforced steel base, heavy-duty steel track system, strong hydraulic output for any attachment you throw at it, built to absorb the punishment that ends other machines.
At its heart, a Kubota V2607 diesel engine, 56.9 horsepower, EPA Tier 4 certified, built to climb, lift, dig, and grind through whatever the workday demands. Piston pump, load sensing technology, multi-way control valve. The Terra LXV matches hydraulic flow to workload in real time. Twin pilot joysticks, high and low travel speed control, 360 body rotation, and a fully enclosed AC and heater cabin that keeps the operator focused no matter what's happening outside. 14,500 pounds that move like something half the size, 19 feet, 2 inches long, 6 feet, 7 inches wide, 8 feet, 5 inches tall. With a boom swing system that reaches where bigger machines simply cannot follow, Terra LXV 6.6 ton engineered for the work that matters with a max digging depth of 11.5 feet, max digging height of 17 feet, and max unloading height of 12 feet.